Hey there, sure thing. Let's dive into TradingView and check out the volume ATR indicator on your chart. After that, we'll tweak the settings together step by step to make it work perfectly for your trading strategy. Now that we've got the volume ADR indicator on our chart, let's start customizing it. But before we go any further, remember that it's often a good idea to run these signals through additional filters to weed out false ones, especially when the market's moving sideways. Traders, my friends, if you really like the content that I'm creating for you from the past, or if you're just new here and you want more trading strategies and techniques coming up on a daily basis, make sure to subscribe to Income Nomad, your channel, because here is a place where you'll find everything you need and you won't be scratching your head looking for answers to your questions. And please like the video, because by doing that, the YouTube algorithm is going to show my video to more traders like you who are keen to know all about this market, especially about technical analysis. Next up, let's add the Relative Strength Index or RSI indicator to the chart. We can use it as one of our filters for the signals. But hang on, before we use it, I'll walk you through some tweaks in the RSI settings. Great! Now the RSI indicator helps us spot signals with more strength. When we're looking at bullish signals, we want the RSI to be above 60. Similarly, for entering a short trade, we'll consider it valid when the RSI is below 40. Let's look at some examples to clarify this. Before talking about all of this, did you know about this official Bybit giveaway airdrop campaign exclusively tailored for Income Nomad subscribers? Yeah, you do now. I don't want to waste your time more with that. Previously, I made a video about it. Hurry up, it's a limited time /participants offer, so make sure do not miss it. Watch that video, the link is above here and down in the description. If you see a bullish signal on the chart, but the RSI is below 60, that's not a valid signal, as the market might just move sideways, as we can see in this example. Let's move on to the next filter, the Simple Moving Average or SMA indicator. The SMA indicator is a powerful tool when used in conjunction with the trend. Trading in the direction of the trend increases our chances of success. So, when the SMA shows an uptrend, meaning the price is above it, we filter out bearish signals and focus on bullish ones for entry. Conversely, when the SMA indicates a downtrend, we disregard bullish signals and concentrate on bearish ones. For short trades, we need to be in a bearish scenario. The RSI should be below 40 and the SMA must indicate a downtrend. If all these conditions are met, the signal is confirmed and we can enter a short trade. We can use the SMA as a stop loss level by placing it just above it. For a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, we can exit the trade. To initiate a long trade, we start by identifying a bullish signal. Then, we check the RSI ensuring it's above 60. Next, we confirm the uptrend with the SMA indicator. If all these align, the signal is validated and we can enter a long trade. For managing potential losses, we can set our stop loss level just below the SMA indicator. Again, for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, we decide when to exit the trade. Now I want to show you just a part of my 100 times backtesting / forward testing this strategy, and shortly after sharing the results with you. As you can see, the results are crazy good. What else would you want? But before that, it really matters that which cryptocurrency exchange you're using. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it. Or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it. I don't want to make it so long, so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. I have a surprise for you. If you use my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT just by signing up, doing your KYC, and depositing at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. So what you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. Alright folks, that's a wrap for this video. If you're still unsure about managing trading losses, be sure to check out the recommended playlist right here. Hope this helps. Till next time.